How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. We're at the garage. It's kind of dark out because we just got done riding. Vanessa over there. Hunter and Kev were here. They're gone. But I want to do a quick video for you all. I got a new package. As you all can see, new Amazon package. And this is, like I said, a quick video. I want to go over this real quick because I've had a lot of questions about this. I'll open it up real quick. I know what's in here, and it's kind of not a truck part, but it is a helping for the channel. So what this is, guys, is I've been talking about this for a while. Finally pulled the trigger on one, on the packaging. But this is a decal maker, a circuit joy, I think they call it. Yeah. So here's the decal maker in this box right here. And I will be making my own decals. So I just wanted to do a quick conversation with you all because I want to be 100% transparent with you all. As of right now, when I get this up and running and make sure I know what I'm doing and the quality's good and stuff like that, I will be only selling them through Instagram. So make sure you follow me at trucks_and_water on Instagram. It just helps me keep track of stuff like that. And what I'll do is I'll make like a batch of 10, batch of 15. I'll do different styles after a while, like maybe just the name Trucks and Water, of course the logo, maybe some specialty edition ones, like if you pay me extra money, I'll put the Trucks and Water logo with your Instagram name underneath it, stuff like that. And all that money generated for that will be towards the truck, towards the YouTube channel, towards the new truck, stuff like that. It's going to be recycled into making more content and stuff like that. And eventually, I'm hoping to have t-shirts. So that's kind of the goal as of that. And I just want to be, like I said, transparent with you all on where this is going, where the money's going, stuff like that. It's a start of the overall dream I have on what I want to do with Trucks and Water. And, you know, I'm just going to keep fighting. I'm going to keep fighting, pushing. I know, like I said, I've not made content for a while, like a year and a half over, maybe, like I used to. I'm getting back into it. I've got the urge again. I've got the drive again. I know this is what I'm supposed to be doing. We'll put it like that. And like I say, if you want to have a whole video of me explaining what happened, I'll go into as much detail as I can. I gotta censor some stuff, if you get what I mean. So that's what's going on with that. And I want to thank you all again for the recent support. You all have been amazing. I can't thank you all enough for it. I'm beyond blessed to have the fan group I have right now. But that is right, guys. We have finally a decal maker. I'm so excited to get this thing up and running, start making decals and whatnot. It's going to be freaking great. Cannot wait to do that. So, if you all have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you comment them down below. Like I said, I know this was a very short video, but I want to talk to you all. I want to be 100% transparent with you all, if that makes sense. So, that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this little short video. If you like the video, leave a like. New channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.